Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last video, I have mentioned the origin of Qi in philosophy in China and some of its classifications. In this video, we'll discuss the functions of Qi to our body. Generally, Qi has some main functions: transforming, transporting, holding, protecting, and warming. First of all, transforming. Material, dense forms of matter need the power of Qi to be transformed into more subtle forms of matter. For example, food is transformed into food Qi, which is in turn transformed into true Qi. And the next is transporting. It is linked to transformation. It's another essential function of Qi. In the process of transformation of various substances, Qi transports them in and out of various body structures. This transportation movement may be upwards, downwards, inwards, or outwards. For instance, spleen Qi transports food Qi. Lung Qi transports fluids to the skin and diffuses defensive Qi to the space between skin and muscles. And now we move on to holding. Qi can hold the body structures in their proper places. Like spleen Qi holds the blood in the blood vessels and fluids in the proper spaces. And another example of this is kidney Qi and bladder Qi hold urine. And the next function is protecting. Qi protects the body from invasion of external pathogenic factors. This is primarily a function of defensive Qi. Defensive Qi irrigates the space between the skin and muscles, which constitutes the exterior energetic layer of the body. And finally, warming. Warming is a central role for Qi, as all physiological processes depend on warmth. This is especially crucial with fluids, as they are yin in nature and therefore need yang to promote their transformation, transportation, and excretion. That's all the main functions of Qi to our body. As I mentioned in the last video, Qi takes different forms depending on its location and function. Today, I'm going to demonstrate some principal properties of each specific form. First of all, food Qi. Food Qi represents the first stage in the transformation of food into Qi. After entering the stomach, food is first loaded and then is transformed into food Qi by the spleen. This food Qi is not yet in a form that the body can use. From the middle burner, food Qi rises to the chest and goes to the lungs, combines with air and forms gathering Qi. Gathering Qi has two main functions. Firstly, it assists the lungs and heart in their functions of controlling Qi and breathing, blood and blood vessel, respectively. Secondly, since gathering Qi also gathers in the throat, that's why it influences speech, which is under the control of the heart, and the strength of voice, which is under the control of the lungs. And now we're going to talk about the original Qi. Original Qi is nothing but essence in the form of Qi. It could be described as essence transformed into Qi. Original Qi is also often said to include the original yin and the original yang. This means that the original Qi is the foundation of all the yin and yang energies of the body. And that's it, true Qi. True Qi is produced from gathering Qi under catalytic action of original Qi. True Qi is the final stage in the process of refinement and transformation of Qi. And this is the Qi that circulates in the channels and nourishes the organs. True Qi assumes two different forms: nutritive Qi and defensive Qi. Nutritive Qi, the type of Qi, has the function of nourishing the internal organs and the whole body, and it flows in the blood vessel, the inner layers of the body. Defensive Qi, when compared with the nutritive Qi, defensive Qi is a coarser form of Qi. This type of Qi has the function of protecting our body from invasion of external pathogenic factors, and it flows in the outer layers of the body. So let's summarize what we have discussed. Firstly, Qi is one of the basic substances playing a crucially important role in our body. Secondly, Qi is used in two major ways: a refined energy and the functional activity of an organ. Thirdly, qi has 5 main functions: transforming, transporting, holding, protecting, and warming. Finally, depending on the kind of qi, it possesses a specific function. And that's all I want to say in this video. Thank you so much for your attention and see you next time.